Hello, I have another iPhone lot. It's much smaller than the previous ones. Got it for really cheap. Beautifully packaged with paper. And there's the phones. It's 4 phones. Okay, there is an iPhone 4. Then we have another iPhone 4. This is a replacement housing. I mean back glass, that's definitely not original. Then we have an iPhone 6. It's pretty sticky, that's disgusting. And last but not least, a 7. First of all, I'm gonna disinfect all of these with isopropyl alcohol and clean them, and then I'll get to testing them. Alright, while cleaning this iPhone, I accidentally held the power button and it booted up. Okay, so it says SIM required. I guess I'll have to try it with the SIM later. I don't feel like doing that now. But yeah, this one seems fine. This one's probably dead. I'll charge these two and I'll install a screen on this 7. Alright, I managed to get the iPhone 7 to work, to boot up with this display that I have, but the unfortunate thing is that it is locked to the owner, so nothing I can do with this except use it for parts. So this iPhone 7 seems to be working, but is iCloud locked, so I can use this for parts because everything else seems to be good. Then this, I don't know if this is a 4 or a 4S, but it is unfortunately iCloud locked. I think this is a 4 and this is a 4S, yeah. And the battery on this, it's boot looping, so the battery is probably dead, but I don't, even though I have 3 4S's, I don't have any good batteries for these, so I cannot test this one. And lastly, this iPhone 6, the display looks fine, but it is not doing anything when plugged into the charger, but it gets a little warm, so I'm hoping it's just a dead display, maybe a battery, but it is getting slightly warm. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.